Welcome to the Open Dental webinar on installing the trial version. In this webinar, we will cover where to find and download the trial version, installing the trial version, setting a MySQL password, running OpenDental for the first time, sharing out the OpenDentImages folder, and setting the OpenDentImages path. To get started, go to our homepage, opendental.com, and then click the trial version link at the top. From the trial version page, under step 1, you can download the executable by clicking this link. Once downloaded, it will list in your downloads folder where you can right-click to run as administrator. If prompted, go ahead and click yes, and then wait for the installation to complete. This part here will take a couple minutes, so go ahead and wait until you get to the next window. When you get to the OpenDental installer, make sure every item is clicked, and then click install. You may need to wait for a moment for the next window to pop up. When the setup wizard opens, click Next, accept the terms of the license agreement, then click Next again, and one more time, then click Install. Once everything is done, click Finish. The Maria database will install on its own, so you don't need to do anything here. Once it's done, you'll get a pop-up to create your MySQL credentials. Typically, the user will remain as root, and then you will want to enter a password. It is highly recommended that you put a password in here and make sure it is something that you remember because you will need it down the road. Once you have that entered, click OK, and the installation is complete. You can click OK and close out of the installer. OpenDental will show on your desktop. Right-click to run as administrator, and click Yes to any prompts. In the Choose Database window, enter in that password that we just created, and then you can select your database to use. If you are evaluating OpenDental to see if it will meet your office needs, select the demo database. If you are installing OpenDental because you will be using it for your practice and you want to start with a new, fresh database, then select the OpenDental database from the dropdown. Once you have your selected database, then click OK to launch that program. Next, we'll want to share out the OpenDentImages folder. Typically, the OpenDentImages is located on the C drive. Right-click and go to Properties, then select the Sharing tab at the top and click Share. Enter in everyone and click Add. Then give everyone read and write permissions. Then click Share again and click Done. And that will show out the OpenDentImages folder. In the Security tab, also make sure everyone is listed with full control. If they're not, you can add that everyone again using the Edit button. Lastly, we'll want to make sure that the UNC path for the OpenDentImages is entered within OpenDental. So you can find your UNC path going here. I'm going to take that network path and copy it. And then in OpenDental, go to Setup and Data Paths, then enter in that path here at the top. This allows other workstations to access that OpenDentImages folder. Then click OK to save. And now other workstations will be able to access your OpenDental database.
If you have additional questions, please call our support line at 503-363-5432 or access our complete online manual at opendental.com. And to make sure you're staying up to date on our latest training videos, make sure you subscribe to our channel and turn on notifications.